Yeye wanaongea juu ya mambo ya affordable housing. Hakuna kitu mbaya juu ya mambo ya affordable housing.
Mimi nashukuru hata jana former prime minister amesema yeye anaamini affordable housing. Sasa bado tunabishana nini tena? Amesema hiyo affordable housing ni kitu ya maana sana. And that is what I have been saying. Sasa hii maandamano yote ilikuwa ya nini?
In a surprising turn of events, opposition leader Raila Odinga seems inclined to endorse President William Ruto's Kenya Kwanza government's affordable housing program. Expressing his views on the initiative, Odinga acknowledged its success in various countries, particularly in Asia, where it has played a pivotal role in fostering economic growth and development. Despite its potential benefits, the affordable housing program is currently encountering legal obstacles, with judges from both the High Court and Court of Appeal halting the implementation of the housing levy imposed on Kenyans. President Ruto's government has announced its intention to appeal these decisions, highlighting its unwavering commitment to the program. Undeterred by legal setbacks, Ruto's government continues to press forward with the program, which is already making a positive impact on the nation's workforce. The initiative has created employment opportunities for many Kenyans, and a considerable number of housing units have already been sold, demonstrating its tangible progress. While acknowledging the merits of the affordable housing program, Raila Odinga has voiced concerns about its current implementation.
Lakini vile wanavyoendeleza ndio ubaya. Manake wanaendeleza bila kufikiria vizuri na vile inaweza kuendelezwa. Wakenya hawajaeleza vizuri, hawajaelewa, na inaletwa kwa kifua na kiburi ambaye hawezi kufanyika. Mimi ndio nilileta hii mpango ya affordable housing nikiwa waziri wa roads, public works and housing. Na nilienda huko China, nikaenda kule Korea, nikaenda kule Singapore, nikaenda kule Malaysia, nikaja na hii mpango. It cannot be one size fits all. It must be tailored to specific requirements of specific regions.
The opposition leader has not hesitated to criticize certain aspects of the initiative, indicating that modifications may be necessary for him to fully support it. Despite initial reservations, there is room for collaboration if Ruto's government is willing to make adjustments to the program. Raila Odinga's conditional support suggests that a modified approach could pave the way for a united front in addressing the housing challenges facing Kenya. The convergence of interests between political rivals on the affordable housing program opens up possibilities for constructive collaboration. As President Ruto's government navigates legal challenges and seeks to refine the initiative, the potential endorsement from Raila Odinga could contribute to a more unified and effective approach towards achieving affordable housing solutions in Kenya. This is a developing story. Continue following the Kenya News channel to get more updates.